Yep. All right, here's what I've got for today. I'll be working on the engine bay, and kind of gone over this a little bit, looked at things, and I don't think I'm going to do a whole heck of a lot of work in this area. I may rough up the heater shelf, the paint in here, so that the final paint job takes a good bite, but the heater shelf, I don't, maybe I will, I don't know, I'll play it by ear. It's pretty straight anyway. I've got a little bit of a bow here, but once the heater itself goes on and it gets mated up to the goalposts are here, it'll straighten out without any huge issue. I'm not awfully worried about that. I am more worried about taking care of that run. That's a pretty good one. These runs, sags, whatever you want to call them. I've also learned, and I've learned this many times, that nothing on an aftermarket piece for an MGA fits correctly. Nothing. I've done surgery to my sills to make them fit. I've done surgery to the pillars to make them fit. I've done surgery to the rear sills to make them fit. And this is no different. You can see where it's a little bit off on the holes. This is original to the body, and I've not changed that. And they're off, so I'll just re-drill that, no big deal. Same thing here, this is really off. Yeah, quite a bit. So, yeah, no big deal on that one. It's, it is what it is, so who cares? But I've also learned an extremely important life lesson for you younger folks, younger men. You shouldn't ever call your ex-girlfriend a crazy wackadoodle nut. Not that I have done this, especially to her face when she's listening to you, and even though she drives by taking pictures and stalking you, it's just good form not to. No, fuck it, fucking wacko. It's about 19 degrees outside right now, 20 degrees, some thereabouts. I've got just under 50 degrees in here, and my little space heater is just chugging along nice and happy, but it's just not keeping up, so I'm shivering. So once I get moving, I'll probably warm up a little bit. And then this is done. I've done the what do you call it, everything here, the cowl shelf. I've done the innards, I've done the outwards. I've got some water still there. Toes are freezing too. And I've done the entire left side. So, except for the, wheel arch. I'm not too awfully worried about that. So I'm going to, coat that with rubber undercoating. All that's done. A and B pillars are done. Oh, they're sanded. I've got to redo, obviously, some work there, some work there. I've got that finished. A whole lot of junk that came down. Oh, that's all nice and good. I've rounded off the corners. Not wearing gloves. Bad cuticles again. That's okay. So, what's next? This stuff. I've got this fender that I need to I need to make it nice and smooth. And I need to, I think that's it on that one. I've got a little bit of, did I work on that one? I forget. I've got the hood there to do. These two spots here. That's where the paint was cracked, and I did a little bit of repair. I'm gonna finish up on my Sebring valence. I need to smooth out the arches. That's what I need to do. And get that ready for paint as well. I've had a couple gouges in that thing. Like right there. I think, oh yeah, gotta smooth that stuff out. So in all, I've got maybe half an hour's work on body pieces left. I'm not sure what to do with this. It's so damn cold outside that my hoses are frozen. What I need to do is take this outside and hose it down. properly. And then bring it back inside, let it dry out, and respray. And then the respray will be nice and smooth, and all I will need to do is smooth it out with 400 and 600 grit sandpaper. I think I will do, I may redo the trunk. I may. And I think, yeah, I've got to respray in here. I've got some bare spots, some more bare spots, other bare spots, big deal. Is that a fucking, oh god damn it, I need to, alright, well, let me see how that feels. No, I don't need to do that. Yeah, I do. Alright, I'll make that the last thing I do tonight then. Fix those two sags. I thought I got it well enough, but obviously not. Actually, you know what? If I spray in here with this high build, that's going to get covered up anyway. Yeah. Good enough. Good enough. Yep. Alright.